To transfer money from TD Bank to Zelle, start by ensuring you have a TD Bank account and the Zelle app. TD Bank is a participating bank in the Zelle network, making it easy to send and receive money. First, enroll in Zelle through the TD Bank mobile app or online banking. If you are using the mobile app, log into your account, navigate to the Send Money section, and select Zelle. You will be prompted to accept the terms of service and enroll. If you are using online banking, log into your account, click on the Pay and Transfer tab, and select Send Money with Zelle. Once you have enrolled, you can add your recipient's email address or mobile number. The recipient does not need to have a TD Bank account, but they do need to be enrolled in Zelle. Enter the amount you want to send, review the transaction details, and confirm the transfer. The money will be sent directly from your TD Bank account to the recipient's bank account, typically within minutes. You will receive a confirmation email or text message when the transaction is complete. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account, and be aware of any transfer limits. TD Bank may have limits on the amount you can send, so it is a good idea to check your account details before initiating a transfer. For added security, Zelle uses encryption to protect your transactions, and you can also use two-factor authentication to verify your identity. In case you encounter any issues during the transfer process, you can contact TD Bank customer support or the Zelle Help Center for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from TD Bank to Zelle, making it a convenient way to send and receive money with friends, family, or for business purposes.